Hey everybody, I know it's been a while. A lot of golfing, a lot of camping. Busy summer, like I'm sure it has been for everybody. But I'm finally getting my brake booster in. I put the clip on because I'm trying to figure out my wheels. That's been kind of a nightmare. But that's what I did. I'll show you on the inside. So when I marked it out on a piece of cardboard. Uh, then slid the cardboard down on top of the brake booster so I could get that template. Uh, I drilled my holes. Now I'm getting ready to drill that hole. So wish me luck. So I've been working on getting that drilled out. Uh, I wasn't very on my hole cutting. As you can see, looks like freaking garbage. I'm not very happy with it. Hoping when I get a gasket and stuff on top, I can get that to cover up. I'm really not happy, but today I'm wanting to get that in. And in here, wanting to get all of this cleaned up. Get that pedal in there. And then want to take that and get it cleaned up and ready to put on also the oil reservoir or the brake fluid reservoir. So that's my goal. Let's see how I do. So I'm pretty sure this shows you how amateurish I am. So there is my booster on. Still need to clean that up. I'll probably get rid of that this computer module right there. I'm fairly certain I don't need it. And then up here inside, I made gaskets out of some black rubber. I'll show you the black rubber and cut it out to go around there. And there's my pedal and my trying to figure out how to do this. I cut it right here, weld it back together. That's why it's kicked to the right a little bit. Kind of want it there, but I think it looks like crap just angled. I need to order my steering column. But I had a bunch of this black rubber sitting around, so I cut gaskets for the inside. And then out here, I'll go in and cut those, trim those back so you can't see them. But I put gaskets in there. To make up over here, I put in, see them, 2 washers, and then gaskets front and back. Hopefully that will make it not rattle. So I've made a little bit of leeway on this. I'm definitely doing carpet over that. I think it looks like garbage, but that's what I had to do to get that all pounded out. So carry on. So here's the day I took that, pressure washed it off. So those of you who are in the know, I believe this front one is my proportioning valve, and this back one where it's got the wire in it is the controller for the ABS. Am I able to just pull this one and that and bypass that and run this to my back and this one to my front? Is that what I'm supposed to do? And then I think my vacuum line goes from right there to there. If that's right, let me know. So thought that cleaned up really nice. I need to put my hood on to make sure, but as you can see, I've got the cab lifted because I'm trying to get everything lined up. If I'm gonna hook that up, I'm in the committed zone. So again, I got the boards in there. That bolt's seen better days. Lifting it up, trying to get everything centered up, and I put my cab mounts in underneath it too. So hopefully I'll get another video out soon on leveling this thing up with my steps. I do have issues where this quarter panel's all bent to heck, blown out. I don't know if this step is ever going to fit in there, so we shall see. But got the pedal in. We'll work on buying a steering wheel. Gas pedal, what do you run for a throttle cable? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate all the subscribers.